Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And table topic for today is, when was the last time you tried something new? When was the last time you tried something new? The last time I tried something new was around 2-3 months back, and it was driving. So I have been trying to learn driving from quite some time, but I haven't been able to make out some time for it. So that was the one thing, and recently I feel that I need to start driving, start learning driving again, because there has been a time I just tried and then just left it there. I could not finish it. If I talk about other things that I'm trying to learn, and I will prioritize those things. Number one is swimming. Swimming is one thing that I have that has been going in my mind from quite some time, and I feel it can be life-saving skill. So that's why I want to learn it. Dancing is another skill that I want to learn. I like to learn dance. It has been quite in my mind, but as I said it, that I haven't been able to make out some time for it. So these are the 2-3 things that running in my mind and trying to learn something. For me, trying to learn new thing is bit hard if it's out of my domain. So when I was trying to learn driving, it felt extremely hard to me. So yeah, that's a thing about learning new things, because when you and I will prioritize learning new things after some time interval each time, because it also gives a brain exercise that you are trying to learn something new. So that can be very good for brain exercise and other things. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.